Today we're going to make chia seed pudding. So for now we're just gonna do the basic, which is just the milk, and we're not gonna do any flavoring. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar. I'm using agave, and 1 cup of the almond milk, and 1/4 of the chia seeds. Okay. And you put in the refrigerator overnight. So this is the result of the chia which we put in the refrigerator overnight. See, this is with the milk. See, that's how it is. Okay.